Again, now that you've earned your currency from walking, you can now buy different gift cards or a physical gift card right on your phone. So what you'll want to do is swipe over to your DTE tab and scroll down and see which gift card or reward you would like to purchase. In this case, it's a Carrot t-shirt. It costs 300,000 reward points or steps. And what you want to do is tap on the select the size and select your size. And you'll see that there's 5 in stock. Press the purchase button. And then you fill out your own personal address information here. At the very end, you can save this information. It's only stored on your phone. And then you just simply check out. And what we'll do is we'll ship you one of those Carrot t-shirts right to your house. Another example is a Carrot hat. It's 200,000 reward points for this, and you can select the size. As you recall, you saved your address from before. You can just go ahead and process the order, and we'll ship that to your house. If you have any questions, please give us a call or email us at support@carrotwellness.com. Thank you.